Okay, we are going to attempt a repair test. We are going to work basically on this shingle to replace it, which means two shingles above, here and here, we will have to lift up in order to get the nails out, which are nailed at this point. And because this one's nailed in over top of here, that shingle, this shingle comes all the way up to here, so that nail line, we'll have to remove the nails here to remove the nails in two different shingles to get this one out. I already see granule loss on the one right above. Now I'm going to attempt to put the new one in. Okay, we successfully replaced the shingle down here. If you look at the shingles above, you can see where they did start to crease all the way across. I also see a little bit in here. So because of the creasing, that would actually cause us to have to do this correctly, replace shingles above, and that would be two shingles. This one here and that one there is the second one. We would have to replace those. So because of this, we grade this as a failure on the repair test, requiring many additional shingles to be replaced, especially on the ones that are down below. It's going to create basically a triangle effect as it goes up, and there are several down below too. Thank you for your time.